Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We have downloaded Power BI Desktop from Microsoft Store, and the moment we open it, we get this screen which lets us to select a data store or start with a blank report or a recommended one to get an intro of Power BI from the official Microsoft site. So it's always better to learn the thing in order to efficiently work through it. Let's start what Microsoft has to offer us. So, Microsoft is giving us these modules for getting an introduction of Power BI, how it works, why it works the way it works, and how we are going to use it, how we are going to connect the dots of various parts of it in order to get through our results. So let's start with the introduction that Power BI gives us. Power BI is a complete reporting solution. It's the main purpose of Power BI is to report. And how does it operates? It lets us to prepare the data, to visualize that, and to distribute that. These three are the core functions of how Power BI works. These are the pillars, the cornerstones, the foundations upon which the building of Power BI is based. Uh, you prepare the data by complex data modeling. You visualize the data in a stunning way, and you then distribute that so others can analyze and make decisions upon those data. So even though Power BI can serve complex enterprise level systems, offer them decision making helps, but even naive small scale business users, even they can benefit by using it, or at least by knowing how the system works, because it is laid upon the natural workflow of a business. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next lesson of what are the integral parts of Power BI and how the workflow is maintained from connecting a data source all the way through to all the way to hosting the reports and visualizations on Power BI services, and eventually offering it to the consumers to look upon it. Thank you very much.